What's the name of the running group?
The UP Heartbreakers. Team USB.
Pinoy Fitness and Ma'am Marcel.
Ano magkalala kayo lahat?
Same faces. Sa Facebook.
Through Facebook.
Kasi, di ba, pag-runner.
So what are some of the reasons why you guys thought about joining this?
Big event ang pinaka-ideal for first timers. Kasi yung cut-off, maganda for first timer.
Ayun session. Hinahabol din. Kasi maganda daw.
Pero kailan kayo naging mentally committed or emotionally committed to running a marathon?
I've been running for
A year. One year.
So ano yung mga longest distances that you guys
21.
21. So talagang after 21, ito na. So what are you most looking forward to in the next 6 months?
Trainings. Ako lahat yung trainings. Yun yung
Physically, mentally, emotionally ready for the marathon.
Now pa lang, ha?
Yeah, after 6 months.
after 6 months,
na ready
tawagin
for
na kaming
that.
marathon.
So, are you doing this? Are you like practicing as a group, training as a group? You have weekend training, right? You're gonna do the long runs together?
Yes.
Saan kayo naglo-long run?
UP. BGC.
Anong long run nyo this weekend?
KOTR.
KOTR.
Adidas.
What are you running? Anong distance?
16.8.
21.
21.
Good luck with that.